may mga anak, guys. Look! Sobrang cute nila! Finally, guys, dumating na yung order ko nitong Wakuku Plush Fashion Party Series. Quick story time lang, guys, kasi binigyan ako ni Bea. Kasi parang nag-order ata siya ng madami, so binigyan niya kami. Pinukuha ko si Secret. Thank you, Bea. Sobrang cute. Ito yung unang-unang Wakuku ko. Sobrang cute niya kasi, tapos sobrang lambot pa niya. Bumili ako nung full collection. Let's unbox this together. So, itong Wakuku is by Let's Van. Ayan. So, sila yung official makers and sellers ng Wakuku series. Meron siyang necklace and meron siyang hat. Tapos, sobrang colorful and so cute. This is the first box. Pink! Ang cute oh! Ang cute ng face! So, ang name niya is Optimus Chief. Ayan, so cute! Orange! Ayan niya, sobrang cute. Naro-rotate yung hands niya, tsaka yung ulo. This is Monster Imitation. Purple! Singrock! Yellow! This is back to Y2K. Last 2 boxes na lang, guys. Brown! This is Play Bear. Ito yung pinaka-gusto ko sa buong series. Sobrang cute niya. Gray! Cute! Ito si Become Rebel. Sobrang cute! This is the whole collection of the Wakuku Plush Fashion Party series. Mahilig kayo sa mga ganyan, anik-anik. Check nyo na yung yellow basket ko.